Hi everyone, John Cleese with Lake Effect Garden and Design, and I wanted to point out another one of my absolute favorite late summer native plants, and this is called Rosinweed, and this is the flower of the Rosinweed. We've got another yellow coming up here in August, but what I love about this plant is, you know, so many native plants have very thin, fine sort of foliage, but look at how waxy and big these, well, they are waxy and a little bit fuzzy, but just look how beautiful those leaves are up against some of the finer grasses that we have here. So this is a great plant for contrast in your garden. And here again, it's being held up by switchgrass. We've got some big blue stem that's starting to bloom here. But this is a beautiful flower. Again, Rosinweed, very tall. Again, I'm 5'8", so it's as tall as I am. And look at this back here. So again, another really super tall plant for your native garden. I highly recommend you plant it.